Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on the PPSSPP emulator. First, you will need to download the PPSSPP emulator itself. You can find it on its official website or through app stores. Next, acquire the Resident Evil 4 game file, which is usually in an ISO or CSO format. Finally, confirm your device has sufficient processing power and memory for optimal performance. Once PPSSPP is installed, let's optimize its settings. Navigate to the graphics menu and experiment with the backend, choosing between OpenGL or Vulkan for the best speed. For sharper visuals, set the rendering resolution to at least 2 times the original PSB resolution. Don't forget to customize your controls, whether you prefer on-screen buttons or a connected gamepad for comfortable gameplay. With your settings configured, it's time to load the game. In PPSSPP, browse to the folder where you saved your Resident Evil 4 game file. Select the ISO or CSO to launch it. If you encounter issues like a black screen or crashes, try resetting PPSSPP settings to default. Also, ensure your emulator is updated to its latest version, as this often resolves compatibility problems. To truly enhance your Resident Evil 4 experience, consider a few extra steps. Many community-made texture packs are available online, offering significant visual upgrades. Make frequent use of save states, allowing you to save and load your progress instantly, which is incredibly convenient. Lastly, adjust the audio settings to your liking for a more immersive and chilling survival horror atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.